Yo, hello, welcome. Today we're going to be looking at the Kemove DK61 SNOWFOX. This is a Halloween themed limited edition mechanical keyboard by Kemove, which has a pretty unique Halloween themed design. It has 5 sides PBT die sub keycaps, lots of customizable RGB modes. Also has Bluetooth, so the battery would be 3000 milliamp hours, and you can also use it wired. As you can see, I'm unboxing the keyboard right here. So you see we have the keyboard with the dust cover that comes with it, which is very nice. We have the keycaps, or no, Keycap Puller. We have the USB Type-C cable that comes with the keyboard, and we also have the manual. We'll get straight into the keyboard. We have the DK61 here. As you can see, the Halloween themed keycaps are very nice, and they also have a front end on the keyboard. Very nice little designs, you know, little Halloween themed designs. This is a side profile of the keyboard. And as you see, there's a better close-up view, and my name, Gizmogonzo, is engraved on the front left end of the keyboard, which is a super cool addition to the keyboard. Love it. So far, first impressions were amazing. And right here we have the on and off switch, the Windows and Mac switch, and the USB Type-C, which is pretty convenient. It's right on the back, so very easy to reach. Here we have the Keycap Puller that comes with the keyboard. Very standard Keycap Puller. And if you notice this next tool that we're pulling out here, this is actually the switch puller for the keyboard. So yes, this keyboard is indeed hot swappable, and I'll get more into detail with that later on in the video. And it also comes with a little badge that you can put on the keyboard if you'd like, 3000 milliamp hours. And the USB Type-C. White cable, looks very clean. And I believe this USB connector is any way you can plug it in. You can plug it in any way and it'll connect. So that's also a very nice addition to that. Very neat. It also has a USB Type-C that is angled. So if you use a keyboard in a more cramped area, you're able to save a little bit of space, which is also nice. Alright, moving on, I'm going to be showing you guys the Kemove software. It surprisingly has lots of different RGB options to choose from. As you can see on the screen, it's very customizable. You can change the speeds, you can change the opacity, and almost everything about this keyboard is extremely customizable, which is a plus on every end. There's no negative in this. It also has a mode where it can react, like the keyboard is reactive to the audio on your desktop. So that one was a really cool one for me. Next, I'm going to be showing you guys the hot swappable capability of the keyboard, which is nowadays it's a very nice feature to have. I got this keyboard with Gateron brown switches, and I'm completely fine with them. They suit my needs. They're nice. They feel good. To me personally, there's nothing wrong with them. But if I felt like it, maybe down the line, I could order more switches and maybe swap out my keyboard with different switches. And that's always nice to have. So that's a very cool feature. Right here, I took off a few of the keycaps, and now I have the keycap pull, or the switch puller, I'm sorry. And you just have to line it up with the switch here, and it comes right off. There you go, so you can see Gateron brown, and I'm also going to show for demonstration, I'm going to put the Gateron red into this. I'm going to be putting the Gateron red. You just got to line up the two pins here, face them down, and then they go into the keyboard. And just like that, you can use the switch just as intended. Works just as normal. But for the sake of it, I'm going to be changing it back to the brown. You take it out just like that. And back goes the brown switch. So overall, I'm really liking the keyboard. The keycap design is top tier. This is one of the best keycaps, like sets for Halloween, like Halloween theme that I've seen around. Actually, it's very nice. It's even nicer that it comes with the whole keyboard decorated as well. I'm going to be putting all the little tools back in its little convenient pouch for when I need it next time. Put it back in the box. It's as easy as that. Super convenient packaging, I'd like to add. Nice RGB. Also, one thing that I forgot to mention in the video, or in the recording of this video, the keyboard is very sturdy. It has very little bend to it. It's pretty much like built amazing. It has great build to it, you know, it's very solid. The the keyboard feet are gripped as well, so it doesn't slide if you're using it on a desk, and even on the mouse mat it stays perfectly still. Also, I don't have the best microphone for this. I'm gonna try my best to acquire a nicer microphone for these kinds of things, but for the people who want to hear the switches themselves, this is how it sounds. Again, if it's not the best sound test, I apologize, but here we go.